Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to reset Audi A4 oil change light. Turn ignition to accessory, do not start engine, and ensure parking brake is engaged before you begin. Use the steering wheel buttons to access the service menu, then select Oil Change Reset and confirm the reset prompt. Hold the button until the display counts down and shows confirmation so the system records the new interval. Start by switching ignition to accessory and keep the engine off but electrical systems on. Navigate the instrument cluster with the left steering buttons to reach the service menu, then scroll to Oil Change and select Reset. When the prompt asks to confirm, press and hold the Reset button until the display shows completion. If the light persists, repeat the procedure or verify the correct message was chosen before attempting again. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like to help more people learn car basics. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth transformed how I think about saving and spending, and it pairs oddly well with budgeting for regular maintenance. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab a copy if you want a practical nudge towards smarter money choices. Now let's get back to the video. If the reset does not succeed the first time, switch the ignition off for 30 seconds and retry the exact sequence. Confirm you selected the oil change item and not a different service reminder, since selecting the wrong item will not clear the oil light. For persistent warning lights, inspect the oil level, then consult the owner manual or a professional to rule out sensor faults or required dealer software updates.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.